people are a lot more jerky, so he's doing really good. I think he's nervous.
Oh yeah, I would be too. Oh my god. So how long would it take to dig this if you went this speed?
About 3.5 years.
Right.
Oh, he's got to hold the cross so he's sliding.
And the,
Yeah, he's doing really good actually. He's got to figure out how to throw the bucket. Oh, he figured out what does that now.
Dude, first try. That's
Wow, that's
awesome.
really good actually. He's got a little knack for it. We put a lot of people in there and he does. He's got kind of a certain aptitude. Is he a gamer?
no.
No? Okay, because sometimes gamers are really good with it because all of it's hand control.
Games. He's liking that thing. It took him an hour to figure out how to get it.
Wow, you didn't even bang the bucket on the way up. That's amazing.